Welcome to Crypto Goes. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Bitcoin crashed. Nobody's happy about it, guys. Nobody wished to wake up for this news, but this is what it is. Okay, before this sad news, I'm gonna say again a huge thank you for the subscribers. Since yesterday, we gained another 14 subscribers, so there is more and more people with us in the team every day. So I really appreciate, guys, for you liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm trying to respond to the messages as well I get. Apologies for those who I did not respond, but on some of them is just a lot. I cannot respond on all of them, but I will try to do my best and respond to the most I can. Guys, today, why the Bitcoin price crashed? The plunge follows a volatile week for financial markets. Global equities and benchmark US bond yield troubled on Friday after data showed US job growth slowed in November, and the Omicron variant of the coronavirus kept investors on edge. I just don't get people and how they can be so much like influenced by these news and this stuff. Like, guys, aren't we over this corona stuff? Like, seriously, like their goal is for you to get scared, and when you are scared, they can influence you, and they can say to you what you can do, and you're gonna be doing what they do. We know how this corona is. We've been in the past 2 years living with this. I just don't get it. Why are still people afraid and dumping prices and everything? These news are the basically news because the whales want to make money. So they want to manipulate. The whales are always catching on the news. The ETF has not been approved, the spot ETF to buy through Wall Street. Actually, you can buy still MicroStrategy stock, which is almost like a Bitcoin because they have almost just a Bitcoin. So you can still do, but you cannot do like one-to-one, just like spot Bitcoin ETF. The second thing, the virus, they're always spreading news. If you didn't realize, like every 6 months there is another variant that is more dangerous than the previous one, and more and more and more. This is just stupid stuff. Just look at what happened 2 years ago on March and April, when we had this huge crash. In just like 1 or 2 months time, just look like a V shape, like pop pop, we just went up. Why? Because and then at that time still people didn't know what corona is. We didn't know what to expect. We didn't know how to react to it and everything. But today we know everything. I mean, you get the vaccine, that's it. I mean, and I don't know why people are so scared on this. Anyway, okay, let's go to the next thing. Justin Denton, Hong Kong-based head of exchange sales at cryptocurrency exchange Equinix, said he had been watching the increase of leverage ratios across the cryptocurrency markets, as well how large holders have been moving their coins from wallet to exchanges. The latter is usually signed to intend to sell. So this is another way how basically the corporations, the whales, are trying to manipulate the market, because they know that people are watching the inflows and outflows on of the Bitcoin on exchanges, and when there is outflow from the exchanges, that means that there is less liquidity basically on the sell and on the order books, on the sell and the buy side. And that means on the sell side, and that means that the price can easily go up because the order book is empty, right? They do the same thing opposite. And sometimes they deposit the coins to the exchange and they dump it because they want to buy cheaper. And sometimes they just deposit the tokens that you get scared, you sell, and without them even putting any single order in the order book, you sell it and they just set up a nice buy order below, they pick up everything and ciao bella. So this is just manipulation for them, guys. You cannot say that there was like retail investors that sold just in 1 hour, like from 47.50 to 42 and bam, back again to the same level. It's just nonsense. It's a pure manipulation, guys. And I will show you in a second why. Look here. So as you can see in the chart above, $47 million of futures have been liquidated. For some of you who doesn't know what futures are, it's basically leverage platforms that people can bet whether the Bitcoin price is going to go up or down. And many people were betting that the price is gonna go up. They just dumped they deposited the Bitcoins onto the exchanges. How they dump the price, the whales. They said they put in a buyer. Let's say we went down to what 42K. They put, let's say, 3,000 Bitcoins to, let's say, $47,000. You see that, Jesus Christ, how big order, I'm going to sell it here cheaper just to sell it because the price is going to go down. The other person thinks the same. The other person is going to sell it for 47. Then they push down. Instead of 48,000, they put those 3,000 Bitcoins on 47,000. Then you see that there is 47,000, 3,000 Bitcoins. What you do, you want to sell it because you think it's going to go down. They lower again, and they lower all the time the price. And what's happening? Their orders doesn't go through. From, let's say, 3,000 Bitcoins, maybe there 300 Bitcoins go through, but then, and the rest just stay in the order book because nobody wants to buy that much because they know that it's going to go down. And what they do on the opposite, down at 42,000, they put a few hundred or few thousand buy order Bitcoin. They dump the price there. They just take off at $44,000 or $5,000 the Bitcoin sell, and automatically pop, the price just goes up. So this is how they manipulate the price, and this is how they liquidate. They did opposite on the spot exchanges. They went short there, and they liquidated these people. So they went short there. They dumped on the spot exchanges. The price went down, and there they put leverage 10x, 100x. Their money went up. They bought down there at 42K, accumulated more Bitcoin than they had up. Plus, they have the money from the leverage which went up. So that's total nonsense what they do. Look at this, guys. Here we had here in July 23rd this bottom of 29,640. Then we had a higher low here again at 41,100, and we're supposed to have here at around 43,000, but we didn't because they dumped the price. So we broke below this support line, which isn't good and which isn't sounds good. I want to show you one more thing, and I will show you what I expect to happen. This price went up here now. Okay, fine. $49,230. What's going to happen? In my opinion, is going to be another crash here. They're gonna come up maybe to here. They're gonna dump again till not that much. Actually, sorry. They're gonna dump from, let's say, 49 something from here, about 49,000-50,000 to again here at around 42. There is going to be 1 or 2 more these leg downs for sure. I mean, not for sure, not 100%, not financial advice. I'm going to be setting up buy orders there at 42K, and I would not be surprised if we touch again, even to go below maybe to 40,000. And I think it's going to be the bottom, but it's going to take another 2-3 weeks at least until we recover from this shakeout. But I think there is going to be 1 or 2 more shakeouts, leg down. Just watch. I mean, not financial advice, but this is what I think is going to happen. And then we're gonna have from here maybe a little bit lower high. Then we have again from here probably again the third one, and then we go higher like this. Like that, and then slowly upwards. If you haven't watched my video that I uploaded like a month ago, what do I think about the bear market when the bear market is going to end? Watch that video, and you will find out more about the extended bull market and what's my opinion on that. And what I said a month ago, still it stays, and it's going to happen. What I think I said there. Not financial advice. I don't know what's going to happen, and nobody knows. But I think I'm going to get it right, and I think here is going to be another pullback as well, once or twice. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.